What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to give you a brief tutorial on how to use the Pinterest scheduler tool. Now here it is over here. I have pins that I have scheduled to be published ahead of time, all the way for like a week out basically, and you can publish up to, or rather schedule up to 100 pins to be published at up to 30 days from the moment that you schedule them. So let's say, for example, that maybe you're going on a trip, maybe you're unable to be in front of your laptop to publish pins on a daily basis, which is ideal if you want to grow your Pinterest account, but you can schedule these pins to be published for you while you're out and about doing your thing. And that's actually what I have over here. I have 33 pins that are scheduled to be published at whatever dates that I set it. So how exactly do you use the Pinterest scheduler tool? Well, it's actually very simple. The process is you literally go into the area where you create a pin, which is up here, and then you click on create pin under create content, and here's one that I've already uploaded to be scheduled. Now the thing is, if you hit the publish button, it will publish it at this moment, so it won't be scheduled. But let's say that I want to publish this tomorrow. So today is the 20th of August, and I want to publish this tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down to where it says publish at a later date, and I'm going to hit the toggle to go to the right. And this will make this, the date show up in the time, and this will also change from publish to schedule. So I'm going to select the 20th. You could, like I said, you can go about a month out over here when it comes to the date of when you want it to be published. But in my case, I want it to be published tomorrow. And in terms of the time, it goes in 30-minute increments. So it starts from 12 a.m. and goes all the way up to 11:30 p.m. So I'm going to publish, or rather schedule this pin at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow. That's just my personal preference. Now I'm going to hit on schedule, and that's basically all it takes. So see, it says schedule for whatever time that I selected. I hit schedule. This publishing is going to go through. It's actually scheduling, not publishing, but this is going to say scheduled for August 21st at 9:30. So now if I go back into this area and I refresh the page to show me the list of scheduled pins, what's going to happen is this pin should now show up. And if I scroll down over here, here it is. That's the one that I just scheduled. Now, one thing that I do want to say is that there is some kind of bug that I personally notice that happens from time to time. It doesn't happen often, but let's suppose that you are trying to schedule a pin and you click on the pin scheduler to do it. You may not always see this loading bar, or you may see something that says fail to schedule or something like that. And so what you want to do is you want to keep clicking on schedule to make sure that that goes through. But here's the thing. I've noticed that if you do that multiple times, it will actually schedule it multiple times. So you may end up having duplicate pins or more, depending on how many times you click the schedule button. And to make sure that this isn't an issue for you, what you're going to want to do after to make sure you don't have duplicated pins scheduled, you want to have unique pins, is you're going to go into the scheduled pins area and you're just going to want to check for any duplicates. So let's say this one right here, let's say that it's been duplicated 2 times and I want to get rid of one of them. Let's say that this is one of the duplicates. I'm going to click on this and then I'm going to click on delete, and that's going to make sure that the only one left is the unique one, so I won't have any duplicate pins get published. So that's just the way to make sure that you don't have that issue. I personally experienced that more than once, so I thought I'd cover that in this video. So that's how you do it. That's the Pinterest scheduler tool in a nutshell. I hope that this video makes sense. I do have a whole bunch of other tutorials on my channel about Pinterest, getting traffic from it, making money from it. It's something that I do for a living. And to finish up, my name is Vitaly, and if you like the content of this channel, like, share, and subscribe. I'm someone that makes money online for a living. Here's actually the site that I send Pinterest traffic to, which is a nature blog, and here's actually a 30-day report of how much it's earned from Pinterest traffic and other sources of traffic. I also do affiliate marketing on it, so it actually makes about $2,000 a month now. But if you want details on how that's done, as well as an action plan, I'm going to include a free beginner case study in the description of this video, in addition to the other playlist videos on Pinterest that I have on this channel that you're welcome to watch. But if you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.